Hello and welcome to my channel. It's me here, and I'm glad to present to you another Boho-ish blue Boho journal, which I called Blue and Lace. It's obvious why. So there are a lot of types of lace, cotton, and all shades of blue and white and beige. So it's actually one of my favorite types that I'm crazy about, with my favorite types of decoration, like fabric cover, but it's hard, kind of hard, and it's very, I did raised edges so that it can be felt, and it can be very palpable and, like, you know, giving a lot of pleasure to your senses. It's big again, not so big as the previous one, but still really big. It's about 7 centimeters in the spine, and it's my standard size about the main cover. Let me tell you, so it's almost 7 inches and 9 inches. Yes, so this is the side, very, a lot of ruffles. This is the back side, a lot of tabs, cotton tabs, lace tabs, and here as well, bookmarks and stuff. And my favorite double spine, making it very flexible and very comfortable to use, convenient as well. I would like to show you the collection of paper that I used to create it. It's some Ukrainian brand Skrapmir. These are the only leftovers. You can see it's really beautiful. I just was inspired by the color scheme and decided I need it and I would like to make it. So the main subject of this paper collection, or topic, is about love story, a wedding book. It can be treated as a love story book, wedding book, diary, whatever, just whatever you would prefer to call it. As for this paper collection, I would probably, the leftovers, I would probably coffee dye them and add to the leftovers of this beautiful Boho collection, and create a general one more Boho blue journal, because they seem to be really pleasant. And this is another collection by another Ukrainian make, Scrapberry, and that's it. So let's get to that one, the new blue Boho. This one is coming not quite soon, because the next collection is going to be the Radiant Poppy Steel. This is something that I'm going to start doing now, immediately after that. I will show it at the end of this video. So let's get going. These were the collection. Apart from this paper, I used a lot of lace. Well, cheesecloth, probably I colored it with hibiscus. And all the paper, office paper here, paper for writing, is colored with hibiscus tea. As well as these tags, you see, you probably know where they come from, but I made them out of the remnants of some computer tags, something like that. They are quite heavyweight. The paper is quite heavyweight, and that's it. So it's hibiscus colored, and there are some spray splashes here, spray spots. Okay, this is the piece, the spot where you can put your photo. Or it's always difficult for me to get into this piece, but okay, I would say you can do it, just I just don't want to. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, that's great. I just don't want to waste our time, but it goes there. So this is one more. This is one more tag. It's smaller. And the collection, yeah, this is paper with natural petals as well. You can see it's natural handmade paper with petals. It's beautiful and just adorable. And these are the die cuts from the same collection line of the paper. This is as well natural paper with cotton fabric fibers, as far as I understand. It's really palpable, beautiful. And so this is a shaker, you know. This is a vellum shaker with a lot of sequins. You can see that even the flowers are shaking here, and a little swan, very neat. And you can put a picture here and have it use it as very usable as well part as well. So these are some more pages. That's kind of a pocket. And this is the first bookmark with the composition of, okay, this is also tissue paper. You see I use some tissue paper here as well. And a lot of different types of white paper. This is a plastic decoration, and you can put something here as well. This is the cotton lace pocket, and just the pages with some more fabric fiber pad paper. And that's one more composition. A little here, beautiful. Okay, some more pages that you can put your photo or memorabilia, glue them to, or just staple them to that. One more piece of pocket. This one is for smaller, beautiful. For smaller tags. And oh, this is my favorite, skeleton leaf. It's just to me it makes perfect sense here. Okay, this one more, please, and bookmark, and this is gold, as you can see. Okay, one more piece, and you can put it here as well. And the third type of fabric paper with fibers, and another pocket, with tracing paper and stuff and brads. This is a small hidden pocket with tiny tags, beautiful tags. I like them so much because they are so sweet and nice, and can be used as secret notes. Okay, one more piece for the tag. Rabbit, no, it's not, it's hair right here. And this is a piece of pergamano. When I used to be crazy about that type of art, so I created a lot of stuff like that, and now I use them as pieces of scraps. One more lacy bookmark, and one more spot where you can put your photo and get it a frame, something like that. And this is, you see, it's kind of glittering, gleaming. Oh, one more swan. Blue one this time, not black but blue. It's paper lace, like die cut, and this is a tag. This is the vellum pocket. You can use it for keeping stuff, things, and okay, one more composition. And one more beautiful note. Here is one more spot for photos and notes, and one more skeleton leaf. And this is a shaker again. Oh, sorry. It's a shaker, and this time it's sequins, flowers, die cuts, and this time it's covered with some native fabric with small decoration, so small pattern. This is another picture spot, photo spot. You can put it, oh, you see, this one is better. Put it here. I guess I need to open it. Yes. When I was gessoing the pages, because there are some gesso spots here, I probably glued them a little bit, so I need to loosen them. Okay, some more decorative pieces. And then this, and this is my favorite. This is a real pencil here. Okay, some pages to write, some photo sport, one plastic daisy. Okay. Okay, this is a double pocket, side pocket also. Everything is gessoed. Oh, this is another piece of vellum. And this is another piece of lace, paper lace. It's just writing paper. Two pockets, one for a smaller tag and one for a bigger tag with different notes. This is another pergamano piece, which is butterfly. And another piece of and that's it. This is another composition that is made for photos, so they are, it's kind of, I need to loosen them. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, that's it. And you can put it like that, and you can see that the picture is not so, it makes the whole composition work. And this is a piece of notepad, which is actually sewn here. What I missed is showing another small shaker. This is my maybe traditional shakers type that I make for every single journal item, but I can't find it. Okay, it's small bottle. It's still supposed to be here. Oh, I'm missing. Oh yes, here it is. You can see it. These are small. I forgot what to call it in English, but just call them beads. Yeah, micro beads of 3 different colors, matching the general style. And that is about all. Thank you for watching. And before I say goodbye, I would like to tell you what I'm gonna do next and what you will see next. And the next project will be this beautiful Radiant Poppy collection. I coffee dyed it, so it looks okay. Nothing smeared, everything is cool. And that's my new journal. What it is going to be about. It's going to be about the poppies. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great